Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can speed up a video using TikTok. Since TikTok has developed over the time and now has so many editing tools like other apps on the platform, so TikTok is also capable to speed up a video like any other editing app. So in today's video I'm going to show you how all that is done, and the steps are quite actually simple. Let's just start by opening TikTok. And now that TikTok is open, you can see that we on the home page. So make sure you are on the home page. Although it doesn't matter how, you can still speed up your video on every page or section you are on. So to speed up your video using TikTok, simply come and then click on this edition button. And then now as you can see we have the option to select the video or picture we would like to add speed up. So let's try video for us. After doing so, you can see that we have been given the option to editing its length. So this is where we are going to speed up our video. And so here we speed up our video. And on the left button is where can rotate it. So for us let's simply come and then click on the speed up button. And now as you can see we have the proper tools to work with. So you have the option to slow your video and even speeding it up. So let's first start by speeding it up. To do that, simply come in ×2. And now as you can see your video has increased the speed to 2 times. So let's try 3. And now as you can see its speed tripped. And now let's try slowing it down. Let's simply click on the 0.5. And now as you can see we have the video slowing down to 0.5. And now let's simply slow it to 0.3. And now as you can see we have our video even so slower than we had before. So from now on you can balance your video speed however you like. And if you want to take it back to normal, simply come on ×1. And now as you can see your video has slowed back to normal. So from now on you can manage your video speed however you like. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching, and if you are new, make sure you subscribe.